Bring your app ideas to life in a snap, no coding required. Gone are the days of lengthy coding sessions and complex software integration. Now, you can simply launch unlimited apps in a matter of minutes. Introducing ShipYourAppsFast, the easiest way to create apps without coding. ShipYourAppsFast is a Windows software designed to help you create apps that harness the full potential of AI. With ShipYourAppsFast, you can easily develop apps that contain categorized prompts for any niche of your interest. These prompts serve as a valuable resource to generate content such as articles, books, images, and more using AI platforms like ChatGPT and DALL-E. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and build the app of your dreams, even if you have zero technical skills. ShipYourAppsFast gives you the power to turn your brilliant ideas into reality without the steep learning curve or astronomical costs. Join the ranks of savvy business owners who are using ShipYourAppsFast to drive growth, engagement, and revenue, all without writing a single line of code. ShipYourAppsFast, the revolutionary no-code app builder, lets you create stunning, functional mobile apps in minutes, not months. Forget the headaches of hiring expensive developers or learning complex coding languages. ShipYourAppsFast empowers anyone to design, customize, and launch professional-grade apps with just a few clicks. Imagine having the power to transform your visions into fully functional applications with just a few clicks. This remarkable capability is now a reality thanks to the emergence of ShipYourAppsFast, the cutting-edge no-code platform. This intuitive tool has democratized the app development process, putting the power of creation into the hands of entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even tech-savvy individuals. By leveraging the drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built modules offered by ShipYourAppsFast, you can now bring your ideas to life with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Here are the main features of ShipYourAppsFast. Unlimited categories. Each app can contain different categories for better content organization. One click to copy a prompt. Easily copy any prompt to the clipboard with just one click. Product promotion. Quickly adjust the prompts to promote any kind of product. Your brand and link. Add your own brand to your apps and a link to any URL of your choice. Build apps designed for content creators such as site owners, bloggers, and writers. Create multiple versions of your app that can be effectively used as upsells. Use your apps in many ways. Sell them, flip websites, create JV deals, plus more. The beauty of ShipYourAppsFast lies in its accessibility and scalability. Whether you're looking to create a simple mobile app, a sophisticated web application, or a fully fledged enterprise solution, ShipYourAppsFast has made it possible to achieve your goals without the need for specialized technical expertise. The possibilities are truly endless, as you can now rapidly prototype, iterate, and deploy your applications, empowering you to stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Embrace the power of no-code and unlock a world of limitless possibilities. Unleash your creativity, streamline your workflows, and watch your ideas come to life in minutes, all without a single line of code. Don't let your app dreams languish any longer. Start building your custom app today with ShipYourAppsFast. Sign up now and unlock the future of no-code app development. Hit the link below to watch ShipYourAppsFast in action now.